Hello and welcome back to Product Profile. My name's Andy and today we're diving into the world of indoor architectural lighting with Iluminarc. A sister brand of Chauvet DJ and Chauvet Professional, Iluminarc specialises in high-quality architectural lighting products. The Logic range provides installers and system integrators with a turnkey solution to meet the design requirements of any space. Using power over Ethernet and the ability to daisy-chain fixtures together, Logic systems are simple to design and install using a network infrastructure. With drivers supporting up to 96 fixtures with the use of additional PoE injectors, Logic can be scaled as required to fit your space. Your system can be controlled directly via ArtNet, SACN, DMX or by optional Logic wall controllers. Wall controllers can be used to trigger scenes and chases captured by the driver or programmed via DMX. System commissioning and testing is also a breeze with the built-in web server. All Logic fixtures feature quad-colour RGB warm white LED sources, enabling fixtures to be mixed throughout an installation. Fixtures can be set to operate in single colour, variable white and full colour modes, allowing for efficient DMX addressing and control. Logic is perfect for reception areas, theatre foyers, entertainment venues, museums, galleries and retail applications that require controlled and customisable lighting. Basically, anywhere you want to light flexibly for highlighting architectural features. The Logic range is based around the Logic Drive 2X, which is designed to feed power and control to remote fixtures using the latest PoE standard. It features two PoE outputs offering up to 90 watts output per port with the ability to add PoE injectors to expand the system. As for the fixtures, there are three types to choose from: Graze, Cove and Downlighters. Logic Graze is a compact linear fixture featuring a narrow beam source, ideal for wall washing and is available in 1 foot and 4 foot options. Logic Cove is a sleek and discrete wide-angle linear fixture, providing soft accent lighting perfect for short-range indirect illumination. Cove is available in 1 foot and 2 foot options. Finally, there are 3 Logic downlighter options to choose from. There are 2 AR111 models available, small at 15 watts and medium at 27 watts, both featuring a 110mm diameter, suitable for standard architectural downlighting housings. Both models have 2 different beam angle options included and an optional honeycomb filter and trim ring. The baby brother of the 3 is the MR16 Downlight S, a smaller, compact 8.3 watt downlighter with a standard 50mm diameter. MR16 also has 2 different beam angle options included and an optional honeycomb filter and trim ring. This unit also requires the PoE-X to convert power and signal, which can support up to 8 fixtures. If you want to know more about the Logic range from Iluminarc, we interviewed one of the product specialists from Chauvet to find out more about where the company is headed. So be sure to check that out when it drops on the channel and don't forget to like and subscribe to stay notified. We'll see you in the next one.